Let's kickstart Valentine's week with a teddy nail art. Let's get on to this amazing nail art done by Anshu with minimal amounts of tools. Once your base color is on, take some brown polish and a fine brush to draw the head of the teddy. To draw the circle, draw a plus sign and get it nice and even. Once a rough outline is done, you have to fill it in carefully. Make sure to work in sections to fill in the whole circle. This nail art is being done by Anshu and she is driven by perfection and is covering it completely. It's okay if the filling looks a little uneven since this will all be covered with a glossy top coat. Once you're happy with your circle, it's time to then draw the ears with a dotting tool. Drop it into the brown polish and put 2 even blobs as shown. Then use the back of a pencil to draw the heart that the teddy was holding. Just dip it in the pink color and blob away. Using a clean detailing brush, just go in and make the heart like she's doing it. Now you might think that freehand drawing is impossible, but honestly all it takes is a little practice and the right quality of tools. Little things like a good quality detailing brush and a smooth brown polish will really help you get here. As usual, the list of all the products required is mentioned in the description below. Fill it in carefully and there you go. Look at that cute heart. Now we're going to add a few details to the teddy. We'll draw the eyes using a dotting tool dipped in white polish and a cute face for our little bear. We will use the detailing brush to add white to the ears as well to give it some depth. Remember to clean your detailing brush between uses to easily draw and precisely draw it too. Now to add more shape and volume to the teddy, we're going to draw its cute little legs on either side of the heart. Now remember, the design is a teddy clutching the heart in its paws. Once we're done with its cute little legs and paws, we also add some white polish to it. Next, we go ahead and add more dimension to its eyes and give this teddy a cute little smile. After this, you can stop the nail art right here, or if you want to add a cute little message like Anshu did on the heart, it all depends on your level of skill. Once everything is dry, add a glossy plumping top coat and trust me, it's going to look so much prettier. If you want to make the nail art bombastic like she did, you can add more elements to it and also pair it up with a nice pink little manicure. This mix and match is so trendy and it looks so cute. Look at that thumb. For more such amazing content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and you know where to shop, ilovemypolish.com.